Welcome. Today I will show you how you can split screen on macOS. So I believe this should work on any device that started using the branding of the version of Mac as macOS. So to get started, all you really need to do is open up any kind of app that you want to split screen. So we can just do this. Now I do mean actually split screening on here. Obviously you can do the resizing and all that mumbo jumbo, but there's a little bit of a quicker way of doing it. So you have the full screen here, obviously, but if you hold this instead, it gives you a couple options. So you have enter full screen, which is the default version. You have basically shifted to the left or to the right. And once you choose one of these options, it enters split screen mode. It gives me no app available window, so I assume I need to have one open for it to be showing up as if it's available. So let's just try something like photos. Hopefully there's nothing weird in here. Okay, so let's see if we can do that now. And yep, it needs to be open. So from there we can split screen, and obviously you can resize this if you want to, or it looks like we can't. Let's go back to here, exit it, and try again. So it looks like at least photos cannot get any less wide than this. So this is the minimum width of the application. So if I try to make it any kind of extend the browser size, it will quit the split screen option. Now, one thing to mention, this is basically opened up as a also full screen mode. So the same way as if you would press this button right here on any kind of app, it enters its own like screen. So from there, you can use 4 fingers on a touchpad and swipe either to the left or right, and you will basically switch screens. And in here, you have just a home screen view, and you can open up any kind of application. So just bring this as an example. Today would be nice. Whatever, I guess this will work. So as you can see, it basically continues the same thing. Now I cannot switch to the next page right here. As you can see, if I try, it just kind of goes back because there's nothing open there. But if, for instance, I max this out, now I have 2 full screen applications and I have still the desktop view here. So there we go. And obviously to close this off, just press on the button and it quits all of them from that single page. But then if you have other options open like this one, it will stay full screen. So just something to keep in mind. Anyway, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.